All right, so now in this one, we're going to write the functionality to get all the products from the database and then list them so that we'll be able to list them on our website in the front end. So I gotta come to my route. So maybe I'll close this product model for now, and I'll close the file upload as well. And then I'll just have the route and the controller. So first off, let's just create something in the controller to, that we're going to reference to. So here I'll add a comment and say get all products. And then I'll just create a function that I'll call get products, plural, and then I'll also export it here. Aha. Go ahead and save. Let's do response.send, response.send, and I'll just say get products. Yeah. Now let's create the route for this particular one. So I'll come here and I think I can just duplicate this guy, and this is going to be router.get. Yeah, then I'm not uploading any image here, so I'll get rid of this middleware, the upload middleware. I want to protect this route and I want it to point to get products, which I'm also going to import, by the way. Okay, so I think that's about it for this one, or this route. I'll go ahead and save, and then let's test it out in Insomnia. We're going to create a new route. I'll duplicate this one and then I'll just change it to get all products and products plural, and then I just gotta save. Of course, we're going to modify some things here. Let's remove this form. We don't need the form, so I'll say nobody. Currently body will be lost, blah blah blah. Click on OK. Yeah, so I'll change this to get the method, and then yeah, that's all. So send, fingers crossed, we send that and we should be able to get 200 OK response. Aha, so we got it now. Now because this functionality is so small, I think I can create it in one go. So I can also create a controller here. So to get all the products, all I need to do is to come here. I'll get rid of this guy here, and first off I need to get the user that has that specific product. So I don't want every user to have access to all the products. I want the user to only have access to the products they created. And remember, when we were creating each product, let me show you. Let me say create products. Yeah, so you see we added the ID of the user to each of the products, so we can use that as well. So let me come back here and let's just create the functionality. So here I'm going to say const products, and I'll just leave it at products plural, and that's going to be equal to, we're going to await, we're using the products model now. Okay, yeah, we've imported the product model. Let me just be sure. Yeah, so we've imported it. So we're going to use the product model, so products, and we want to find. So we want to find everything. Now if you just say find and you leave it empty, it will just give you all the products that exist in your database. But because we want to find the product of the specific user, so I'm going to add a user variable, and that user variable I'll set it to request.user.id. okay, so so that's fine. Now what we just need to do is we are going to just send the response. So I'll say response.status dot send, sorry, the status I'll set it to 200, so successful, and then I'll say dot JSON. So we'll send the JSON data of the products we just got, products. Now there's one thing we need to do though. These products, we want to sort it. We don't want it to be, let me show you what I mean. We want the last products we updated to be shown first. Okay, so let me add the functionality to do that. So here I'll say dot sort, and then I'll just open this up like this, and then I'll say which property I want to use to sort it, and I'll say I want to sort it by the date it was created, so created at, and because I want to reverse the order, in other words, I want the last product to become the first, I'll just put a minus in front of it. Okay, so let's go ahead and save, and I think we can test the route one more time. So I'll come here and let's fire this route, get all product routes. So I'll come down here and then I'll fire it one more time. So you see, now we now have the routes, and you see this is P3. P3 is the product we added last, but yet it's the first one here. That is because of the sorting functionality that we added. So that's P3. Then yeah, this is P2. So you see, then the last one should now be P1, which is this one, P1. Aha, so that's about it for this one. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next one.